So it's kind of smacky out. It's early in the morning. It's like probably 9:30, 10. Going to do a bike check and show you my new bike, which I haven't really told anybody about. So these are the ones that don't really get ridden. So we have a Kona Fire Mountain 2017, an older Norco Cruiser, an old Diamondback, Cannondale Lefty, and a weird Giant that doesn't have two matching rims or wheels and doesn't work as a parts bike mainly. And over here we have my mom's bike, my brother's cruiser, my dad's mountain bike, and then my trail bike, which is a 2013 Giant Trans X. Yeah, X. Had it for about just under a year. This tire is pretty new. I like it. This is the tire I got it. I had these grips on, but I stole them off of the other Giant. I stole these off the other Giant because I've had these for about 2.5, 3 months maybe, and I kind of wore through them. But I just picked up, and that's my old Specialized Rockhopper, which, as you can tell, has been murdered brutally for parts and other things. So it's over here. Nobody cares about it. And so that's my dad's Norco Fluid. But my brother and my mom both share the Kona. And then in here is where I keep my new bike, which is a downhill bike. It's a 2012 DaVinci Wilson large frame RockShox Boxer. I got it 3-4 days ago. I like it a lot. I think I need to put a stiffer spring in the back because it's a 325, and I think I need to put a 375 in it. And then I'll do also some of my gear, which I have Specialized gloves, Scott, goggles, a 661 helmet, and then I also have a stone and shin pads. And then these pedals are actually really nice, but they're pretty expensive. The hub sounds nice, and I think later today, or maybe in my next video, I'm going to be doing the Bear Mountain Flow Trail